Well, hello, hello. If you're on this video right now at this time in this moment, that's because tomorrow you want to be a better person than you are today. You see yourself succeeding, you have a vision, you have a dream. And I want to tell you, congratulations. You're 10 steps ahead of 95% of the world. So hello, my name is Joseph Harper. I'm a licensed Medicare agent. I've been a licensed agent both in life and health since 2014. I've had some what they call successes, and I've had some fallbacks, okay? But the one thing about it, we learn from what we do and we move forward. My goal today is to help you become a successful producer agent. Today, we're going to talk about the 6 components of the success pipeline. Now, I know there's books out there to read. Anytime you're going into any kind of sales or real estate or anything of that nature, or you're going into business, or even just to be successful in working for a government or corporate, any other corporate entity, you want to be a person that's well read. So, because the only way I know to be successful, you have to do what successful people do. So, some of the books you've heard about, Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Okay, those are books that you want to have. One I'm going to recommend to you is written by a gentleman by the name of Monty Home. That's his first name is spelled M-O-N-T-E. Last name is Home, H-O-L-M, Monty Home, okay? Monty Home has established himself in the insurance industry. He's the go-to guy. Most of the top insurance industry CEOs go to him for advice and training. So he is the person to go to in our industry. He's a more than a 7-figure earner if he's not an 8-figure earner. So I'm letting you know that in our industry, there are people that do that, okay? And so he has a book out. It's not a real thick book. You don't have to, it doesn't take you, you can knock, some of you that read real, you can knock it out in a day or two, the rest of us a week, okay? But he talks about how to use the 6 components of the success pipeline, okay? So we want to go over those things, and then later on, I'm going to talk to you about becoming a licensed agent and how to do that. And if you're a licensed agent, how to get on this platform that everybody's having a lot of success with, called Assurance. So I want you to click my link. Personally, if you want to show me a little love, you click my link, and we'll go in there. That way I can kind of monitor and help you along the way and on your goals, okay? So let's talk about the 6 components, okay? The 6 components consist of faith, vision, goals, desire, discipline, and self-respect. So self-respect, we're going to talk about those components. So let's talk about faith. Faith to believe that you can win and succeed. I want you to ponder this, okay? Out of all the possibilities, you were born, okay? You're a champion. You were born, you're special, okay? Think of all the possibilities being born to your mother and father. You were born, okay? I want you to remember that. That means that the creator knows you, the universe knows you, okay? You are somebody. I went to a university called Grambling State University, okay? The motto is everybody is somebody. I want to let you know that the universe is saying that you are somebody. So believe in yourself. So first part of that is to have faith. Faith in yourself that you can win and succeed. The next part of that success component is vision. You have to see yourself succeeding. You have to see it. See it and believe it. See and imagine what your possibilities are. Have that vision, okay? So we talked about it. Let's go back. We talked about faith. You have to believe, okay? Faith. And with faith, it leads to vision. You can see yourself actually where you want to be. Imagine. I want you to close your eyes and imagine where you can be. It doesn't matter what industry or what task you have. If you're a project manager working on a particular project, these are tools to help you. So In this case, I'm working with people who are becoming licensed agents. They're going through the pre-licensing phase. I'm trying to help them get their goals and meet those standards in getting there. Okay. If you're a licensed agent and you're trying to get the AHIP certification so you can sell Medicare Advantage products, still have this formatting. You have to re-engineer how you think. How you think is how you perceive yourself. So I want you to be motivated in this. So we talk about faith, vision. From vision, you have goals. Now you're able to set your goals. You're able to see where you're headed and you can plan accordingly. Okay. So you have these goals that you're putting together. You see them and you are able to put them together to meet those goals. So from that, we talk about faith, vision. Now, remember, you're supposed to be writing this down. Okay, I don't see you writing. Okay, those of that are on Zoom. Okay, make sure you write it down. Okay, faith, vision. We talked about goals. You start writing those goals down. You should really get fired up and pumped up about those goals that you've set for yourself, because you're going to meet them. You're going to meet them head on, and you're going to accomplish them. So that leads to desire. That desire to finish, to win, that you want what you have so bad that you're going to get it. Because guess what? You are a champion. I know you're a champion, okay? There's only two types of people in what we do, what we're talking about. There's people that fear failure and people who love success. So you're that person that loves success. I know you don't feel failure. If Steph Curry was afraid of missing, he would never shoot that ball. So I want you to consider that, okay? You're going to take that shot. You're going to take your shot. You're going to shoot and you're going to hit your mark, okay? So we talked about faith. We talked about vision. We talked about goals. We talked about desire. So you've written your plan down. You're getting up in the morning. You're looking at it in the morning. You're looking at the evening. So that keeps you on track. So that leads to discipline. Desire leads to discipline. You're able to finish up and accomplish those things that you need to do as far as the discipline to succeed. So that leads to the last part, self-respect, because you have mission accomplished. You have won and complete your goals. So now you're fired up for the next task, okay? So we just went through in a very short while the 6 components of the success pipeline. I know when they're talking about pipelines, usually in the marketing and sales, they're talking about the sales funnel. Okay, we're not talking about that. We're talking about how to reverse engineer your life to meet successful goals and everything. I want you to think about this. So again, I'm gonna repeat again, faith leads to vision, vision leads to goals, goals lead to desire, and desire leads to discipline, and that leads to mission success, which is your self-respect. So what you have done at this point, you've turned vision into reality, okay? If you like what you're hearing, I want you to make sure you click the button, subscribe to this channel right here. And those of you who are going to stay on with me, I want to tell you a little bit about, remember, I want you, it's no brainer. There's 10,000 people turning 65 each and every day. If you're looking for a business to get into, you're looking for a niche where you will have an endless supply of customers, okay? I said, did you hear? I'm gonna repeat again, endless supply of customers, okay? You're not knocking on doors looking for customers, they're coming to you, okay? We're talking about one-on-one time with the customer, actually getting through the process of filling out the application, okay? These are people that want the business. Some people you don't have to talk into this. These are people that want your help to help them through. So we need heroes. We need people like yourself who are willing to step up and jump into the Medicare industry as a Medicare agent, okay? Disregard all those other things. So January 1st, 2021, the new rules came apart. So you're going to be a part of the new rules and helping. So what convinced me that I could make a proper living at doing this, I talked to a former school teacher out of the Atlanta system. She quit teaching to go into Medicare. During last year's AEP, she averaged over $30,000 each month. 30,000, did you hear me? 30,000. I talked to a couple of others between 25. So during AEP, it's all hands on deck. We need everybody that can help get people through the process of getting through the Medicare that they need to sustain them, okay? So again, I want to repeat, 10,000 people turning 65 each and every day, and there's another group of thousands that are becoming qualified through disability, okay? So there's a need for you right now. So at the end of this video, I want you to, if you're not licensed, I want you to copy and paste my email when you go on the site of ExamFX for pre-licensing to get licensed. You're going to put that in there. That's going to into the manager's email. It's going to save you a lot of money. That means that instead of paying $209 and $339 like I did when I first got licensed, you're going to pay only $29.95. Okay, because there's a shortage, remember? And because you're on this video, that's why you're getting the discount. Okay, so you're going to type, copy and paste my email, which is harper3.joseph@yahoo.com. You're going to place that onto the manager's email. And remember, I don't get paid for this, okay? I don't get paid for that. I get paid for the people that are actually onboarding with our companies and carriers, okay? So if you go on there, that's going to save you a tremendous amount of money that you're able to keep in your pocket, okay? Because you're going to need that when you go through the exam phase, when you take the exam. So we'll get into that. I already have a video out on how to become a licensed agent. You want to click on that, go to YouTube, and you can find that on there. I had a Zoom class on that. Then another thing, if you're a licensed agent, you should have this. You don't have to worry about no slow months. You don't have to worry about paying for leads. You don't have to worry about anything. The leads that you sometimes pay for, sometimes they're not good leads if you're paying for leads. But with this company, everything, because they're going through a system of qualifying, they're going through an insurance guide who's going to bring them on with you. They're going to have a lot of information already set up for you. So just like the doctors and the pharmacies and the hospitals and everything, you are an integral part of the health system. We need good people like yourself. So I'm just letting you know you are special. So again, if you were on this video, that's because you want to be somebody better tomorrow than you are today. You see yourself succeeding, you have a vision, and you have a dream. So with that, I'll see you around. Make sure you log on to the thing. And oh, just to make sure that you get it right, I want you to click right there. That's insurance, okay? So I'm gonna step out the way so you can see it. Okay, you got it? Okay, so click down to the bottom. You can onboard or check out some more information. That's what we do. But make action. October 1st is coming. Excuse me, October 15th is coming. That's the beginning of annual enrollment period. There's money out there for you, okay? You get it. Again, I'm Joseph Harper. I'll be signing off and talking to you later, okay? See you around. Bye.